Hello, welcome to the OneCap app video series. Today we're going to talk about macros and how to set them up. Notice the macro menu over here. You select macros, and then this macro drop down box will show you the macros that are available to you that have not been set up yet. These macros have been registered. You've selected them. I've selected them previously here in this drop down and assigned a text for the macro. So today I'm going to show you how to do the bold macro, just because it's easy to set up and easy to demonstrate. Just to give you a feel for what you need to be doing for your macro setup. So I'm going to select write in bold, and I'm going to make my text 3Bs. I'm going to save it. So now you notice that the bold is not in this list anymore because I've registered it down here, and it's a BBB text that has been defined for that macro. If I want to change it, I can go in and change it with an edit, or I can delete it and start over. But let's create a session and I'll show you how it works. I am going to create a session and use the interactive streaming box because it's real easy to display this macro setup that way. Really straightforward. So I'm going to come in here and highlight this bar and start my session. Come back into it and start the interactive stream. I can't do both, I guess. Oh well. Maybe I can. Okay, so here we go. So I'm going to do BBB, which is my bold macro. Notice it doesn't show up on the screen. But now I'm going to say this next is bolded, but then and now the bold macro is going to turn it off, and I'm going to say this not bolded. And so it acts as a toggle. The bold macro acts as a toggle. When you type in BBB, it will turn it on. When you type it again, BBB, it turns it off. That's how it works. It's pretty simple. And that's how most of the macros work. You send it the macro text, which indicates to the streaming server that something special is going on. Whether or not it's a automatic speaker coloring for the double chevrons, decrease the delay for UVision, or Twitter macro. You can italic, musical note, subscript, superscript. These are what we have right now: italics and underline macros. But that's how macros work. If you have any questions, give us a call or always email us at contact@OneCap app. Thank you for using OneCap app. See you later.